Hello everyone. Let's see how to configure a Modbus master for TCP/IP communication. After creating your symlinks, go to the hardware configuration of your device and click on Add New Master. Select the standard Modbus item to create a master and click on OK. Then, right-click on Modbus to add the Modbus Gen. It's the first slave of your master, previously created. And add the Modbus slave end to set the termination of the master. Here's a little tip. To pick multiple items without closing the window, you can check the Stay box and add them. Right-click on Modbus to open the Properties. Enter the bus ID. It has to be the same value as your bus_ID. Here it's MB01. Open Modbus Gen Properties to set the station ID, the IP address, and the port number for your Modbus slave. Now you can custom your first slave by adding a slot bus device to create the requests. Right-click on Modbus Gen, select Add, and check the slot bus box to display the device list. Then choose the registers needed. In this example, we'll add a Modbus RCoil 2 to read a Boolean request length 2, and a Modbus WCoil 4 to write a Boolean request length 4. Be careful. Don't forget to add the Modbus slot end. You can also set the register address and some parameters in Properties. Then in your Symbolic Link tab, you can drag and drop the input and output symlink variables to the Modbus registers. Now you can find the Modbus cat instances you just created. Let's create a new canvas for maintenance purposes, for example. Open the node Canvases. Right-click and select New Item. Enter the name of your canvas and click on Finish. Drag and drop the Modbus master, the slave, and then the input and output registers. Focus point. You need to add the function block dpack_full_init inside the resource of your device for a software and hardware initialization. Finally, you can test this new canvas with the runtime simulation. And here you can have the status of the Modbus communication. That's it. Now you know how to configure a Modbus master.